Whoa there, fellow. You need to secure that workpiece. So, what's an easy way to secure this without a bunch of clamps, or maybe you don't have bench hooks? Oops, what I meant to say here was hold fasts. Or maybe you're like me and you got a crap workbench that doesn't hold the bench hooks very well. All you need are a couple dogs. If you don't have any, get some 3/4 inch dowel, 3/4 inch bit, and make some. Put one here. You're going to be pushing against this one as you make your cuts. That provides some resistance, but your workpiece can still rotate. So take a second dog, put it on the opposite side down at the other end, and now, very secure. And of course, sharp tools always help.